In the knowledge-based global economy, the development of small and medium enterprises in developing countries like India is key to job creation and economic growth. In line with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Digital India initiative, IIT Delhi and Learnasia jointly conducted an expert forum on strategies for optimizing benefits of information and communication technologies, that is ICTs, for growth of MSMEs in the developing world. IIT Delhi's Associate Professor Dr. P. Vigneswar and Learnasia's Chairman Dr. Rohan Samarajiva presented a systematic review on the impact of ICTs in thrusting MSMEs. The seminar was attended by various experienced government officials, private players, and intermediary institutions.
I'm an academic. I teach here in Department of Management Studies in IIT Delhi. My job here is now welcoming you. I will introduce you about this expert forum, what we are trying to achieve in the next 3 hours or so. Dr. Rohan, who chairs this think tank Learnasia in Sri Lanka. So a lot of work, whatever we are doing in our area, we are trying to pull this out and send it to the policy makers. So extension of this particular activity, we did 2 systematic reviews, right? Rohan will talk a little bit about what is this systematic reviews is all about. And so this particular meeting is to disseminate the findings from this particular systematic review. This is a starting point for a discussion related to how ICTs can be used for growth of MSMEs.
Some of you here, of course, know about Learnasia. That's our mission. We are based in Sri Lanka, but we are a regional organization. We've done a lot of work in India. We currently have a major focus in Myanmar. So if you look at that, it says using explicit methods, that is, we work off a protocol, and that protocol is registered in what is either the Cochrane Collaborative or the Campbell Collaborative, or there are several others, EPI and so on, and it goes through peer review, and then you follow the method that you promised you would follow. We use only primary studies, and more than my getting into details here, it's better that you see it when we present the actual research. This essentially started in the field of medicine.
Thank you all. I think it's a big learning for us. We are just a startup. We started a few months back in January, and we are a digital media platform for SME sector. Our target is to create a platform for SME sector where they can rage-wise, they can share their success stories, they can talk to government, they can share their problem with each other.
डिजिटल एम्पावरमेंट फाउंडेशन मैं लिबर्टी लेता हूँ कहने की ये इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा आईटी एनजीओ बोल सकते हैं हम इसको. It is more than 300 people organization now, and I don't just call it an NGO, I call it a social enterprise. I'm happy to see कि इतने सारे लोग cluster development पे काम कर रहे हैं, because DF aggressively अभी उस पे काम कर रहे हैं. बाराबंकी में हमने cluster शुरू किया है, यूपी में, त्रिची में हम cluster शुरू करने वाले हैं, चंदेरी में हमने बहुत सारा काम किया है जहाँ पे कुछ हज़ार कमाते थे वीवर्स और अब कुछ लाख कमाने लगे हैं.
The brochures, if anybody requires, then you can just take it from there. Thank you.
India, its contribution to GDP is only 8%, while in China there is a 40-50% contribution to GDP by the SMEs. So do you have any studies that what is the reason behind this? Because I personally feel that Indian SMEs are not so technology driven. That is the biggest reason. So
We believe that one of the reasons why MSMEs are at a disadvantage is that they are constrained, they are contained or isolated into small markets. What information and communication technologies, and I'm not going to be specific, it could be mobiles, it could be the internet, it could be anything, will do is that it will connect them to other markets. Or with the platform, the new platforms that are coming in, the platforms will connect them to larger markets. That will be the real opportunity for them.
How you are going to utilize this research? Are you going to present it to government, or are you going to present it to
MSME sectors? How are you going to popularize this?
Well, part of what we are doing here is that we have brought opinion leaders, people who are in the sector, and the reports, the summaries, all these are fully public. They are online. They are free for
You want
anybody
to
to
spread
use.
as much as possible.
Absolutely.
Event is quite successful. I'm quite happy with the way the event went. We are looking at 30 people, and we are looking at around 25 people to come. 25 people came. We were looking at participants from the government, private people, and a lot of intermediaries. Intermediaries like people like you guys, SME most. So we have a representation from diverse group of people. So I would say event is quite successful. IIT Delhi is being an academic institute. We do a lot of research. Okay. This research findings will be used by various policy makers. Say for example, government people or other intermediaries or cluster development people. Okay, these people will work for the development of MSMEs. Okay, IIT Delhi will not be able to do directly to them because our primary responsibility is teaching and doing research, which we do. Some of the faculty members also will go beyond teaching and research. They work with various organizations for the development of MSMEs.